It's Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the accelerated math class. We're looking at Unit 10, the geometry 3D figures review. The first one, we're looking for the volume of the rectangular prism. We're going to focus on base area times height. So the base area is going to be 20 times 8.5 and then times 3. So volume is going to be 20 times 8.5 times 3. So we could do 20 times 3 is 60. And then 60 times 8.5. Number 2, we're looking for the volume. And this is a prism because it has parallel bases that are congruent. So a triangular prism. And then it's asking the difference of the volume compared to a pyramid. So let's focus on the volume of the prism. We can just call it VPR. The volume of the prism is going to be the area of the triangle times the height. So we got 6 times 10, and it's a triangle. Divide that by 2 times 4. So we could shorten that up. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 3 times 10 is going to give us 30 times 4. So the volume of the prism is equal to 120. And the volume of the pyramid would be 120 divided by 3. Pyramids are 1/3. So now we got our two volumes, and it's looking for the difference between those two volumes. So 120 minus 40. Number 3, we're looking at volume. And the volume is a prism. So yeah, the volume, whoa, what just happened? Here we go. Volume of the prism is going to be the base area times the height. We're going to fill it up. So the base area is going to be 6 times 7, and it's a triangle. Divided by 2 times 13. So we could divide by 2 up front. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we got 3 times 7 is 21 times 13 to get the total volume. So what is the missing height of the pyramid with the volume? So the volume of a pyramid is going to be 1/3 the base area times the height. So let's fill in the information. The volume is given. And the base area is going to be 18 times 18. So we can shorten this up, divide by 3 up front instead of multiplying and then dividing by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. So we got 6 times 18. Oh, and then we were missing the height. So how do we solve? We're going to divide by 6 on both sides and divide by 18 on both sides. So you can multiply 6 times 18 and then divide it, or you can divide individually. Number 5, we have a cube and we need the total surface area. It doesn't say lateral, so it's total surface area. So the cube is going to be 4.2 by 4.2. So if we multiply those, we're going to find the area of one side. So the surface area is going to be base times height times the number of sides for the cube. So we got 4.2 times 4.2, that's one side, and all sides are equal, so we just multiply that by 6 to get the total surface area. We need the total surface area of this rectangular prism. So the total surface area of a prism is going to be the perimeter times the height plus 2 times the base area. Now we need to imagine this box folded up. So if we pick this as the base, then here is the top. So we have the bottom and then the top. So let's do the perimeter of the base. So it looks like the perimeter is going to be 15, 7, 15, and 7. So we add that all together. For the total surface area, first we need the perimeter. 15, 15 is 30, and 7 and 7. So we got 44 times 3. That'll give us the lateral surface area. And now we need the base area. The base area is going to be 7 times 15. And then there's 2 bases, so we're going to multiply that by 2. So this is the base area. Find the lateral surface area, the base area, and then add them together. It looks like we're just looking for we're looking for the surface area. It doesn't say one thing in particular, so that's going to be total surface area. Total surface area of the prism. So total surface area is going to be the lateral surface area plus the base area times 2 for the prism. So the lateral surface area is going to be perimeter times the height, and then the base area is going to be a triangle. So that's 1/2 base times height of the triangle, and then there's 2 of those, so we're going to multiply that by 2. So let's focus on the lateral surface area of perimeter, 12 plus 5 plus 13. So that's going to give us 12 plus 13 is 25 plus 5, so we got 30 times the height. So the 30 times 25. Total surface area. And now we got the base and the height of the triangle. The base is 12. The height is 5. It looks like it moved here a little bit. There we go. And there's 2 bases, so we multiply that by 2. Dividing by 2 because of the triangle, multiplying by 2 because of the 2 bases, those are going to cancel. So you're going to multiply, multiply, and then add. We need the surface area of the shape, and it's a pyramid. So the total surface area for a pyramid is going to be perimeter times the slant height. So that's going to be L. The slant height is how tall are the triangles on the side. So we got to imagine we have a base area of 5 by 5 by 5. And then the pyramid goes up, and then we have a slant height of 7. So the perimeter of the base is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5. and the slant height is 7. And the, oh, we're missing the 1/2 because of the triangle. So 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. So we got all that. So that is going to be the lateral surface area. Now we need to add the base area, and the base area is a triangle. So the triangle is 1/2 5 times 7. Total surface area. Going to do 15 times 7 divided by 2, then 5 times 7 divided by 2, and you're going to add that all together to get the total surface area. I accidentally clicked on that, but we were looking for the lateral surface area of a triangular prism. Triangular meaning the base. So if we have a base of a triangle, then the lateral sides are going to be the rectangles. This is the base. This is the base area. Let me not shade that in because that's confusing. It's asking about the lateral, so it's going to be just the rectangles shaded in. What is the lateral surface area of the square pyramid? So the lateral surface area of a pyramid, the pyramid has triangles for the sides. And triangles mean we're going to take 1/2, then we're going to do the perimeter times the slant height. The perimeter looks like it is square, so it's 8 by 8 by 8. We add all those up. 4 times 8, it's going to be 48 divided by 2 times the slant. And the slant of the triangle, the height of the triangle for the sides is going to be times 9. And that would give us the lateral surface area. Find the volume of the cylinder. So we need the volume of the cylinder, and cylinders mean circles, and circles means pi. So first we need to find the area of the base and then multiply by the height. So the area of the base is going to be pi r squared times the height. So we're going to find the area of the base and then fill it up by multiplying by the height. So we got pi times the radius squared times 15. We got pi times 16 times 15. And I would leave that till last. So 16 times 15. Once you multiply that, then multiply by 3.14 to find the volume. All right, and last one, best one for the review. This is looking for the total surface area of a cylinder, and some formula information is given here. So we need the circumference of the lateral area. We need the circumference, and then multiply that by the height. So in order to get the circumference, we need diameter. So let's do lateral surface area is going to be diameter times pi times the height. So that's going to be 2,000 times pi. Put that on hold for right now. And now we need the base area. So the base area is going to be the circle and the circle. So we got 2 times pi times r squared. So 2 times pi times r, which is 25 squared. So we have the radius here, 25, and 25 squared is going to give us 625 times 2 times pi. So 2 times 625 is going to be 1250 times pi. Oh, I hit the wrong one. So 1250 times pi plus 2000 times pi. So you're going to multiply each one of those by 3.14 and then add for the total surface area.